Hi all, this is Steve Money, the market chartist on behalf of forextraders.com, and we're now going to take a look at both the euro and the pound, both versus the US dollar in here, and looking at more negative correction tones for these currencies. Although intermediate term, these currencies still have bullish positive outlooks versus the US dollar. In the very near term into mid-May, we see a downside correction bias. We're going to start off with the euro in here, and this very erratic bullish theme in here we have that goes back all the way to the end of last year, from December, early December last year, is very much intact, having more recently, right at the beginning of last week actually, spiking higher up to 116.16, taking out resistances here at 114.65 and 114.95. And bigger picture, we do look for a return up to 116.16, up to this peak here from last year at 117.14. However, the setback we saw last week, this bearish candlestick pattern, a shooting star and setback last week, signaling a more negative tone, and we do see correction risk lower, maybe towards 113 area in here, but looking for 112.13 to hold, to leave an intermediate term bullish theme very much intact then going into the second half of May. But into the middle of May, downside correction bias. If we go to cable, similar thing in here, the pound versus the US dollar, cable spot FX rate, underlying bullish theme in here, a basing structure formed in here with a strong rally through from the second half of April up through 145.15 to a probe above 146.68. However, the setback last week leaving a negative bias, so we do see downside correction risk, maybe through 144 closer to 142, but whilst above 140.89 all the way down here, we see an intermediate term bullish theme. So again, a downside correction risk going into this week, going into mid-May, from a slightly stronger US dollar, but underlying bullish themes for the pound very much intact into the second half of May. This has been Steve Meyer, the market chartist, on behalf of forextraders.com, and I wish you a great trading week.